All right, well, here's the first tick on the index. Not bad, actually. After yesterday's very strong run, we're building on to our gains. The Nifty is up about 25 odd points. The Bank Nifty straight off the back is up about 100 points. And the Midcap index is trending in the green, up about 90 odd points as well. Advance decline ratio is solid in favor of the advances at the moment. And the big moves are coming into the metal space this morning. So that's where the party is kicking in. Hindalco, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, all in the green. Eicher Motors is up about 0.6%. You have ONGC, Dr. Reddy's, Adani Enterprises, a couple of other stocks that are trending in the green right now. On the downside, SBI Life is under a bit of pressure. Bharti Airtel as well, down 0.4%. Cipla, BPCL, HUL, L&T are a couple of other names that are in the red right now. But the market, you'd have to say, is very quiet. The opening is positive, just trending on the green line, holding on to 18,730. In terms of individual stocks, Persistent Systems is down 1.5%. In fact, the entire IT space, as I was telling you, JP Morgan has reiterated its negative view across IT services. In fact, they have placed Infosys, TCS and Emphasis on a negative catalyst watch. So do keep an eye out on that. And this morning, you have Emphasis that's under pressure. Persistent Systems, KPIT Tech, all are under pressure at the moment. Tata Chemicals is another one, down 3.5%. Sonal was talking about that one. Devyani International is down 1.5%. CAT is coming in for some profit taking. Some of these, platform companies as well. But of course, Nigel will take all of that forward. In general, it is a market that's consolidating with a little bit of gain.
Well, that's right, Sonia. And in fact, we have a large trade that's taking place as well. That's flashing for you on the screen. 5% equity changing hands in CDSL. So we'll keep an eye out on that. For the time being, that stock is down close to around 4%. Other big stocks reacting to news. You have KEC International. They bagged an order worth around 1,400 crores. The street likes that. That stock is opened up in the green. Vodafone Idea, the company, there's a proposal of some equity infusion. We need to verify these details out there. But that stock is up close to around 4%. And it could have a positive rub-off on Indices as well. Because they stand to gain. A more stable Vodafone Idea is good news for them. So let's get that up for you on screen, up 2.5% as we speak. ZA Enterprises, yesterday did see a sharp slam dunk, but Plutus Wealth Management, they bought close to 75 lakh shares in the company at around 191. So that one is up and about in today's trading session. A few other stocks in the broader markets that deserve special mention. There's small finance pack. The stock is up close to around 7%. But this week, it's up more than 15%, so that's seen a good run. And Tanla as well as Electra Green Tech. But this week, these stocks have still done well. And today, they're building on to those gains. So yet again, the broader markets, the action's out there. More than 2,000 stocks advancing, which is 400 stocks that are declining.
All right, 20 points on the Nifty, basically. I think we mentioned CDSL, right? CDSL, I think there is a block because volumes are through the roof. There you go, at the bottom of the screen, 4% lower. KPIT Tech is down 2%. Tata Chemicals is down 3%. Tata Chem, of course, I think this is the soda ash story playing out. Tata Chem yesterday closed at $1,000 now in 3 digits. Persistent, of course, there is the downgrade which we highlighted. HBL Power, we were just discussing with Mitesh earlier, down about 2%. This is, follow-through or lack of follow-through moves from yesterday. This JBM Auto has had a frenzied, feverish move last few days. That is starting down 1.5%. And I think HDFC AMC is down a little bit as well. By the way, market breadth in terms of overall advanced decline is pretty solid on the way up. Lodha is picking up from where we left off. And, Mitesh weighed in on this just before markets open. Another 4% on Lodha after yesterday's move. Stocks at about 703. KEC we mentioned with a 5% gain. Anupam Rasayan, 6%. Varun Beverages is coming up with about a 2.25% gain. APL Apollo is up about 3.33%. Cyient is up about 2.25%. I think with Cyient, this IAF, I think one of the brokers met the management, and there is some. I'm not sure if there is new guidance, but reiteration that there is, demand environment for them remains pretty solid and good. So I think the stock reacting to that. Gland is up about 2.25% or so. And we've got Sula, which is up about 2% as well, 458 or so on Sula. So that's basically what you have on the index. The Nifty is not doing very much. You just got about 10 or 11 points with us at this point in time. But it's basically the mid-caps and small caps which are really have been the stars for a while. Names like Suzlon, Canara Bank, or etc. are seeing some profit booking as well. So it's both ways. Although, the bulk, the thrust is on the upside with many more stocks on the with gains as compared to those trading lower at this point in time. Okay, well,